Hi, folks. Welcome to Nature's Bliss by Pepper Homes. Pepper Homes is our venture, and Nature's Bliss is our first hotel. We'd like to, give a quick introduction about what Pepper Homes is. Pepper Homes is targeting scenic locations across India, and what we're planning to do here is find the most nature-centric hotels all across India with the best views and provide the best hospitality services to our clients. Right. Our first hotel here, Nature's Bliss, is situated at Manali. It's in a village called Shuru, about 3 kilometers away from Manali. It's nestled in the heart of nature,
Nihar, we have
and
lost your
we
voice.
have apple trees all around. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yeah, it's clear.
All right. So, like I was saying, Nature's Bliss is our first venture of Pepper Homes, and what we're trying to showcase is the great things that nature has to give us, right? And Shuru, the place where we've found this hotel, is situated is basically nestled in the middle of an apple field, right? And we have various types of flora and fauna all around us, from about 20 species of birds to about another 30, 40 different types of flowers within our property itself. I'm going to quickly guide you through around where we're located, what all we have. We're going to first start off with our garden and move on to basically our area where we can take care of all our meetings and any kind of events, right? So let's start off, right?
Presentation.
All right. Would you mind playing the presentation first?
Okay.
Is it playing, Vedant?
Yeah, yeah.
वेदांत जी कुछ भी नहीं चल रहा है सिर्फ स्क्रीन ही आ रहा और कुछ नहीं चल रहा है
Hello. You are not able to see the
Yeah,
presentation,
नो वी आर
no, we're
नॉट
not
एबल
able
टू
to
सी
see it.
एनीथिंग
but it is already.
आप उसको नहीं आप उसको ऑन कर दो ना वो ऑन नहीं
It's
होना
not open.
No, I've shared. I think. Let me check. Let me check.
Vedant, do you want me to share the video?
Yeah, please. I'll just give you the command. Wait. Now see, I have given you the command to share the screen share. Any technical glitch? You're no. Hello.
Yeah, just trying. Just give me 1 second.
Let me try again. If I'm able.
Just give it a minute, Vedant. I'm just connecting the Zoom to Drive. One minute. Yes.
It's showing your bandwidth is low.
So you can try the video later on. At least show the property.
Yes, yes.
first.
Yeah, please show the property. We will do it later. Presentation.
Can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, 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 yes. We are able to see.
Yes. One moment.
Yes. Not able to hear the sound.
That is fine without
That's
sound.
okay. All right, guys. I hope you liked the video.
Yeah, it was very
Can you hear me?
good. Yes, yes, yes. Your voice is clear.
All right. All right. So now this is basically our area where we conduct small events. In case you want to have a party, a DJ night, or pretty much any kind of small event where you need a lot of people gathering around, you want to have an open buffet. This is where we kind of have that setup. Right adjacent to this, we have a whole apple orchard. If you can look on that side, this whole cliff till the end is an apple orchard. So all the trees that you see here are all apple trees and a few plum trees here and there. Right. Now I'll be taking you to our garden. This garden has also in it a lot of apple trees and a lot of flowers. Right. Summertime is an amazing time. Springtime is an amazing time to come here. Would you mind showing us the flowers around? These are rare flowers from all across the world. We've been taking care of them and making sure that we have the best kind of atmosphere for having family, and basic any kind of get together, basically relaxing with nature. My favorite spot in this whole area is, of course, sitting below this apple tree here. I feel like Newton sometimes, sitting below an apple tree waiting for the apple to fall. We have pretty cool looking apples that are just about to bloom now. These are another few more months and we should have full grown apples. There are 6 of these trees within the compound, within the garden that we have. And we also, have luncheons and everything that are organized in this area. Along with this, we have an open fireplace. So in case you want to have, a romantic dinner in candlelight with a nice fireplace outside, this is your place to go to. We've also started off, making this vegetable garden right now, where we are growing our own vegetables and fruit. So that's something that's going to be coming up, where we're going to be using our own things, being Atmanirbhar, as Modi said. Right now, I'm going to take you within the property. Right. So the first thing that we show is our restaurant and dining area, where we have our day-to-day lunches and everything. Amazing view from here too, because we have the garden right outside. So we'll have a nice lunch here. We serve buffet on that side, and this is our seating area. Moving on to the reception, right? This is our reception area. We have a nice wooden cottage kind of a feel here. We have your sofas, you can watch TV here, kick back. And this is the place that we use at times for events. If you want to have a DJ night or some kind of an event, this place is a really good platform. Or if you want to have a corporate event and you want to, explain something out and you have your leader or someone coming here and speaking, this would be a perfect place for him to, speak to his audience. And with this scenic atmosphere, it's a game changer. I wish I could have been in such situations when I was in my corporate life. But yeah, something that someone else can try now. We have wonderful paintings within the cottage too. These are actually painted by someone here locally. Their own paintings, so we put them up here, kind of making sure that the local people also get the rooms that we have. We have a total of 11 rooms, out of which we have 7 oak rooms, 2 maple rooms, and 1 acacia room. Now, the names of the rooms have been selected based on the wood that has been used in these, right? So we'll be guiding you first. So this is your oak room. I'm going to first start off and show you the view. So Nature's Bliss is all about the view. All about the view. That's your view. During winter, that whole thing is snow-capped. And to this side, you have your apple trees, the whole apple orchard. And what you see towards the end of that hill is Guntur, down that road. Now, this room is nice and cozy. It has everything you require. We provide heating in case required. Anybody wants to use heating. I'll give you a quick look of the bathroom. These are our bathrooms. All bathrooms have hot water heating in them, 24 hours. We use solar power along with a dedicated heater in case during this cold weather times that you require heated water, right? We're going to go now. We have one room here, one room here. So 2 oak rooms on the ground floor. Following that, we'll be going to the first floor. This again is a local painting. Now, this floor is again oak rooms. So you have 1 oak room here, 2, 3, and 4 oak rooms. Let's have a look at room number 201, which is again oak.
Vedantji, what was the location you said?
This is Manali, Shuru. This is Manali, Shuru.
Okay. Between Manali and Kulu, where exactly? Can you please?
Hello, who is speaking?
A little ahead of Alio.
Actually, in between we lost your video. From where? Please start from where that you showed Manali Shuru.
Okay. All right. So this area where we are is Manali, district of Manali, and the place where we are located, Nature's Bliss is located, is called Shuru. Shuru is a village which is 3.5 kilometers from Manali. All right.
Yes, yes.
Give them a view. Right. That huge tree there, which is like
I think Nihar, you are getting some internet problem. Your voice and video is your voice and video is cracking. I think you have some internet problem. Yeah, fine. Now it's good. Now it's good. Hello.
Vedant, we cannot see the video. We can only see the logo of book-based flights.
Can you see us now?
Yes, yes.
All right.
But
actually, I have
properly now.
Yeah, please. Yes, yes. We are able to see you're opening a door.
All right. Yeah. So this is the bathroom. Similar to the one that you saw. Now let's go up to the family cottage, right? Now, the nice part about this whole cottage thing that we have on the top floor, it has its own privacy. Now, if you do a family booking, this whole place can be booked all together, right? I'm going to take you, this is lockable, so you have your own private entrance and private setup. Usually this is taken by group bookings, so we give them the whole cottage at once, the top floor. This is the cooking area. We intend to probably put up a little bit of induction. So if someone wants to cook something on their own, they can do that here. Heat up something on their own. We have a dining table here. Amazing views again from the dining room. We have a balcony right out here. Would you like to show us the view from here? Right, so I'm going to take you to the balcony now. You're lucky the clouds have cleared up a little bit. You can see Rohtang now. You guys can hear me, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It's a breathtaking view. Really very awesome.
So you see that if you can, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's a waterfall right there. Right
yes,
there.
yes. Little. Yeah. It's showing that it's a little line. Yes.
So that is a waterfall that's right outside from your view. So the oak rooms all have this view. The forward-facing rooms have this view of, and all that you see down there, those are all apple trees. So in a few months, you'll see all red apples all around, all the way till the end there. Right. So let's get back inside. This is the living room kind of an area that we have for families. So if we have a group booking, a lot of times people want to spend time with their family, sit around, talk, watch a movie. We can put a smart TV here. It's a 50-inch smart TV with everything already inbuilt into it. So you have Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, anything that you want is available there. Premium subscriptions available. You can just sit back here and have a nice time with your family. Right? I'm going to take you to the first room on the second floor. Right? This is our first maple room, right? Which is again one of our premium rooms. Now, this maple room is a little more spacious than the oak room, and it also has pretty good views. I'm going to show you some views of the maple room. That's again the apple fields and pretty much all part of nature that you can see from now down here. An interesting thing that you can see from here, I'd like to show you. Is a trekking trail. It's called Arjun Gufa, right? So it's supposed to be the cave where the Pandavas, where Arjun actually was residing. So when you trek up this cave, somewhere around that area is where Arjun actually stayed there. So there was a place where he meditated, and we can still go and trek up there. It's above all these apple fields. You have to walk about an hour or so. So we also organize these small trails if in case somebody wants to go for a hike to look at Arjun Gufa. All right. Now I'll show you the bathroom for the maple room. As you can see, it's a little more posh compared to the previous ones that you've seen. We have a wooden ceiling here and a dedicated geyser for them, right? Moving on, let us quickly go up. You've seen the dining area, you've seen the living room area. This is basically like a cottage. If someone books it, you can spend time with your family and everyone here. You have 2 rooms here, and you have 2 rooms on top, and 1 children's room. So a total of 5 rooms. And this is all wooden, and you can have a look at how beautiful this looks. We have a few trees that we put here. Again, a lot of paintings. They're all local paintings. People have made these here. Just spectacular views here.
Nihar,
Yeah.
Mr. Sunil is asking how much gathering capacity you can cater in your hotel.
We can do three per room. We have 11 rooms, so 33 people can stay. If you want to squeeze in a little bit more, you can, because we have space. But ideally, it's 3 packs per room.
Okay.
Now, there is a really nice. I showed you all types of rooms till now, right? But there's one room that you guys have missed out, which is the acacia room. Acacia is a type of wood, and this is something really targeted for the honeymoon couple, which I felt was one of the best rooms in our area, right? This room has a slanting roof, right? And it's very, very cozy. This is ideal for the budget traveler, along with having the coziness of, a nice wooden cottage, right? This room has a very special feature. I'm going to show you that. It has its own private walkout balcony and reading room.
Oh, wow.
And these are the views from this room. This is the view that you get from this room. You can open these. We can put up a coffee table here, candlelight dinner, and you have your own private space. Sometimes some people like to put rugs here. We have our rugs. We can put our big rugs here. You can spend the night here, just looking outside. It's just spectacular.
Mr. KD Singh is asking, what about heating in rooms in winters?
Yeah, we have heaters. We have double rod heaters and single rod heaters, which can be put up as long as whenever someone needs them, we do provide it. And we also have blankets and quilts, double blankets and quilts, like you can see here, which are pretty thick. So it pretty much takes care of most of your needs. These are pretty thick here. But yes, heater is provided, so you can always avail the facility of a heater. It is extra charged, so that will be additional though, if required.
Okay, sir.
I'll show you the bathroom for this room. This again has a very nice wooden finish on top. You of course have hot water and everything given to you. We are also planning on getting some natural soaps and shampoos, handmade shampoos, so that we can encourage the local growers and the local people, artisans, to start making these for us. So now I'm going to take you to the final room, which is the final maple room, one of the biggest rooms here. I really love this room, and this is the room that we have, the maple. As you can see, this room has all maple wood. So this wood that is used here is all maple, and you have your special features in this room. I'm going to show you now. This room has walk-in closets. So you can actually have a walk-in closet here. You put his clothes here and her clothes there, and you have 2 walk-in closets. Again, you have nice views from here off the top of the hill. I'm going to quickly take you to the washroom again.
Guys, if you have any questions, please ask. Because we are running up with the time, please ask your questions.
This washroom is slightly more spacious. As you can see, again, wooden finish. Yeah, so that's about it for this maple room, which is our second maple room. So these two maple rooms that we've shown you, those are our super deluxe category rooms. We also have an additional room here, which we use in case somebody wants to have, a group booking. Now, this room is not usually used because it does not have a bathroom, but it can accommodate people to sleep in. It has a bed, it has everything there. And typically, if you have your kids coming over and you want to have some private time alone, you can always keep your kids here and, you have your room there. It's perfect for a family get-together.
Vedant, is it a vegetarian, non-vegetarian hotel?
Yeah. Do you provide Jain food?
Yes, we provide Jain food. I was getting to the food. I'll just sit down here when we talk about the food, and you can do a Q&A.
Yeah. Do you provide Jain food? Vegetarian Jain food?
Yes. We provide Jain food. We provide keto food also. So you have to just let us know what you're looking for, and we can make sure that we can cater to that. We have a lot of Jain people visiting us from time to time, so we do know how to make a good meal for a Jain family.
I think so. Everyone liked the presentation. I think it's really a kind of unique webinar with all of us, because you are the first one who shows the live hotel, and this is really a unique idea for us. I think everyone is happy, and after seeing your all rooms, I don't know, they don't have questions. I think it's absolutely 100% perfect presentation.
I'm glad. We
Yes.
also would love to have all of you all over here. And we will shortly be opening up a restaurant downstairs in the garden area. So couple of months, I know COVID has hit us now, so we are rethinking everything, but in a few months, that's something that we're going to be beginning also. So once you guys are over here, once everything clears up, I'm quite sure you can, taste the exquisite food that we have here too.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Even I personally visit your hotel. Even I like
Definitely.
it.
We'd love to host you.
Yeah. I think it's time to sign off.
All right.
Any message from your side?
Well, I would love to have you all over. So just let us know whenever you guys want to plan and whatever you want to do. We can cater to different types of packages.